Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox document is empty. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox document is empty, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will search about this window of Roblox. After that, in this list of app info you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here in this page you will click on clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. When you'll find it you can update your application to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.